Dick Miller. Yeah, nice to see you, man. Glad you made it. Yeah, we had a great time. Great day. Man.